Teaching Methods. Written by Introbooks. Narrated by Tracy Tupman. Preface. The theories and techniques used by teachers to allow pupil learning is included in the teaching methods. These approaches are calculated in portion by the content to be studied, and besides by the learner's temperament. To be suitable and profitable for a specific teaching method, it must be related to the learner's characteristics and the species of learning it is assumed to bring about. There are guidelines for developing and choosing teaching methods that need to take into consideration not only the complexity of the subject, but also how students are learning. In modern schools, the pattern is such that it promotes a lot of imagination. It is a common fact that human development comes by logic. This reasoning and independent thinking process stimulate creativity. Teaching methods can be generally divided into teacher-centric and student-centric strategies. Teachers are the authoritative figure in this paradigm of the teacher-centered learning approach. Summary. The concept of teaching method applies to the general beliefs, instruction, and tactics used in the classroom teaching. The selection of teaching methods depends on whatever best to be imparted on the pupils, viz., the teaching theory, multicultural classroom, target areas, and emphasis on school projects. The principles of teaching can be divided into 4 sections based on 2 sets of variables, which are teacher-centered response against the student-centered program, and application of high-tech content against the use of low-tech components. Teacher-centered response to education. Considered presuming to be its most accurate definition, teachers in a teacher-centered teaching system are the main authoritative figure. Students are seen as empty vessels who passively earn expertise from their teachers across lectures and direct interactions with the ultimate objective of positive outcomes by way of screening and evaluation. Teaching and evaluation are regarded as 2 different entities in this format. A student's success is evaluated by objective tests and assessments. Student-centered program on education. Whereas teachers in a student-centered teaching pattern are still an authoritative figure, teachers and students play an inherently active part in the learning method. The primary role of a teacher is to mentor and promote student learning and overall subject awareness, and to measure student.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?